Hello everyone, so today in this video let us learn the importance of typing. So this is Harshita from CAD NEST RR NAGAR. So now here we are using Type Faster software. As you can see here, you will be using Type Faster software to learn how to type. So it will make your typing classes easy, where we'll be concentrating on the finger placement in Type Faster. For off now, so let us start. So first let me tell how the finger placement will be. So as you can see in the keyboard, A, S, D, F are highlighted. Meanwhile J, K, L and semicolon are highlighted. That means your basic position will be on these 8 keys. So let us start placing the fingers. First let's place left hand little finger on A, followed by ring finger, middle finger, index finger, then let your both thumb rest on space bar. Next continue in the same way, that is place your right hand index finger on J, next finger on K, L and then semicolon. This is how the basic position looks. Now let us start typing the letters which are displayed. For off now, in first lesson you will be only working on F and J, whereas that is F and J you will be using only your both index finger. So first let me brief you regarding this software. You will be typing around 15 lessons in this, and then one common words, then all, that is all the keys in the alpha pad will be added, and then lowest, that is your the keys which you will use for the lowest, and then least accurate, that is it depends on the accuracy which key you will get least accurate, you will aggregate it in least accurate. And then custom, you will be in this custom you will be specifying any 10 keys which you feel difficult, that is you will customize your own keys and then you will get lesson related to that particular 10 keys. So now let us start with the first lesson, and here you can see it is US English. For alpha we will be using US English, for numerical pad we will be using numerical pad. So you can see the numerical pad is also displayed now. So let us start with US English first. Now coming to the typing class, here you can see there is a blank box and it is set 0%. So as soon as you start typing, that is as soon as you start J, see it will start increasing. So here caps lock is on, so let me turn off caps lock. Now start typing it, and then you can see when you make mistake it will be displayed in red mark. So you can see meanwhile I type, the keys which I am using are also highlighted. Though I make mistake, that key also will be highlighted. For example, I have to use space over here. If I use J, you can just observe on the J key, you can see I have used a wrong key, it is highlighted. Whenever I take backspace, you can see that backspace is you can see changes in the backspace key. Now continue typing. So same way you will start typing. So now you can see that blank box is getting filled by percentage. That means once it completes 100%, that means the lesson is completed. Just concentrate on monitor and the keys displayed. Don't see your keyboard, because as it is set there, you will be using only 2 fingers and then you are using only 2 keys, and then including space you will be using 3 keys. So just concentrate on that finger. Just see to that you are aware which finger is for what, that is you will be using right hand index finger for J and left hand index thumb fingers for space. So when you make mistake, use your little finger to give backspace. If you are a very basic learner, so first concentrate on your finger placement. So once you are okay by all the finger placement, that is if you know which finger and which key, you will get thorough for the fast typing. So as soon as you complete typing the complete lesson, you can see the graph is filled with complete 100%. Now here you can see the result displayed. So you will be having 4 types of headings for the result. So here you can see accuracy, true accuracy, keystrokes per minute, and then words per minute. So accuracy tells how many backspace, allows backspace, okay. So that means the overall percentage of your typing. And then true accuracy, it just goes with your exact keys typing, that is if you have taken it counts even with your backspaces. Coming to keystrokes, it only counts your backspace. And then coming to words per minute, it tells how many words you can type. 13 words per minute can be typed in this speed. So if you have completed with first lesson, you can move to the second lesson. Hope this video will be helpful to you. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.